What's up, you guys? It's your girl, it's Jazz Marie, back with another video. So in today's video, we are about to do an unboxing video. So I have to unbox some shades and the rest of my the box purses. So I ordered some more, and I got black this time, so I had to do my unboxing for those and 2 pairs of shades that I ordered. So yeah, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, guys, so we're back. So I have these that I'm gonna put my shades in, so when I ship them to you guys, they be you know, well packaged and things like that. So I'm just gonna put this. Yeah, let's get into it. Ooh, there it is. So these are also going to come with cloths to wash the to wipe your shades as well. So yeah, y'all see it? Put them in, tighten them up. Let me just sample it and make sure my glasses, my shades fit in there. Cause these are a little wide. Okay, they fit, y'all. Look, and then you just tighten it up like that. And then I'm still gonna have it in this packaging, but I'm just gonna put it in here so it could be secure by the time it gets to y'all. So yeah. So that's that. So these are all the little satchels, and then they're gonna come with these so y'all can wipe y'all lenses on the shades. So yeah, now I'm going to anytime you order something and you unboxing, make sure that y'all count y'all products and match it up with what y'all ordered, because sometimes these vendors will get over on you, and we don't want that to happen. So we got to line up everything and make sure it matches the actual order that we placed. So let's get into it. about to move all of this, put my purses right here, and then we're about to go through the purses. Put these on my packing station, actually. concludes the video for today. So I did all my unboxings. I checked everything that I was supposed to have. So remember, when y'all get your orders from these vendors, look at your order, count everything, make sure if you're getting different colors, the colors match with what's on your order, and then just do a quality check. So I'm gonna do my quality check off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, so just make sure you do those things when you are ordering from a vendor and not making stuff yourself. Make sure everything is right. All right, peace.